In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce the size and resolution of an image in Figma in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, these steps will help you efficiently manage your project's visual assets. First, let's make our way to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. Figma offers a powerful platform for prototyping, designing, and collaborating with others in real time, and today we'll be using it to edit our image. Open your web browser and navigate to the Figma website. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one, or simply log in if you're already registered. A seamless login will lead you straight to the Figma home screen. Once you find yourself on the home page, direct your attention to the design section. This is your hub for accessing various design files and components. Click on design and you'll be able to access your work environment where all the magic happens. Next, it's time to choose the specific image you'd like to resize. Simply open the file where your image is located. Once inside the design interface, locate the image within your document. It's essential to have your image selected as this will allow us to adjust its size and resolution effectively. With your image highlighted, we are ready to resize it. You can adjust the size of your image directly by clicking and dragging the corner handles around the image. For a more precise control, hold down the Shift key while you adjust the size. This ensures the aspect ratio remains constant, preventing any distortion to your image. If you need to adjust the resolution of the image, you might want to export it with different settings. Click on the image, then navigate to the export panel on the right side of your Figma interface. In this panel, you can select different resolution options and export your image in various formats, such as PNG, JPEG, or SVG. This step is especially useful if you need your image for different formats or purposes. With these adjustments, your image is now resized and properly optimized for whatever context you need. Reducing the file size and resolution not only helps in making your design projects more manageable, but also ensures fast loading times and better performance. And there you have it. By following this simple process, you can effectively manage and optimize your images using Figma. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and can now confidently reduce image sizes and resolutions to enhance your design projects. Happy designing!